I can remember as a kid in my earliest introduction to motorcycles, one of the coolest things was being able to put a K&N air filter on my mini bike. So I have a really long mental association with K&N as a brand and my entire history with motorcycles.
Here at K&N, we don't just manufacture products, right? We're enthusiasts, we're riders, we're bike builders. We're really entrenched in the industry and in motorcycles as a whole.
When we started designing our first model, the KR GT1, I really wanted to have a downdraft intake system to eliminate that bulge that you get out of the side of most American V-twin engines. And K&N was very instrumental in helping us achieve that.
Our relationship with Arch and development around the 1S is very unique just from the style of the air filter itself. They came to us with a bit of a problem because they had the velocity stacks sitting up inside the engine. How could we get a filter in around them? So we've actually developed and designed a filter that is a cartridge style filter that fits in and around the velocity stacks to give the engine the most air and the most performance.
You have an air box, intake ducts, and fuel cell all in one assembly.
The unique thing about the Arch air filter system was that they're kind of tucked away. They don't take away from the aesthetics of the bike and what Guard's trying to do with the bike, trying to make it rider friendly, trying to make ergonomically correct. The last thing that a lot of people do with motorcycle design is the air filters on the side because there's no room to put it anywhere else. Arch has done a great job at finding that place and then developing with K&N an air filter that fits in that place.
We built this pretty intricate oil pan system, and to be able to add the billet K&N oil filter to our oiling system is a no-brainer. Instead of having this throwaway filter, we have this beautiful aluminum filter that has a cleanable, reusable element inside of it. Arch and K&N share the same philosophy when it comes to manufacturing a product. They've always been synonymous with quality and performance. Having the opportunity for Arch to have a relationship with them as a supplier for air filtration and oil filtration and to help us with R&D is really an honor.